Trane air conditioners can experience issues that are often indicated by error codes on the display. These problems can range from communication failures to sensor malfunctions. A simple reset can often resolve minor glitches caused by power issues or sensor errors. This allows the internal components to reinitialize and clear temporary malfunctions. Most Trane units don't have a dedicated reset button, so we'll use the circuit breaker method. Here's the step-by-step process. Step 1. Turn off the air conditioner at the thermostat. This is a crucial safety step before working with the electrical system. Step 2. Locate your circuit breaker panel. This is usually found in the basement, garage, or utility room. Look for the breaker labeled for your AC unit. Step 3. Switch off the circuit breaker labeled for your AC unit. Flip the switch to the off position to completely cut power to the system. Step 4. Wait for 30 seconds to 10 minutes. This waiting period allows the system to fully discharge and clear any temporary errors or malfunctions. Finally, flip the circuit breaker back to the on position, then turn on the AC at the thermostat. Check that the system operates normally. This reset process allows the system to reinitialize and should clear most temporary errors. Remember, this reset method works for most minor issues. If problems persist after the reset, you may need professional assistance to diagnose more complex problems.